CU2 Global is a automation business that was formed over 10 years ago to help both small and enterprise clients enable themselves to protect their ongoing concerns about their data and their data infrastructure. The problems that we had was, I suppose, based around having internal staff that only had a small amount of knowledge and capability around delivering the projects that we needed to take to market. So finding iotasol through a network group that we were tied up with, we were able to identify what was required to have a team that could work with us and build around our ongoing needs and requirements to take our product from an Australian-based organisation to a global business very quickly. When you work in the IT industry for over 25 years, you build a very strong network, and a network that can be called upon when required. Being part of a couple of entrepreneur groups helped us identify who the right people were to talk with. And after meeting the team at iotasol, it was very, very easy to understand that these people and the group were the type of organisation that we wanted to deal with, because they were very easy to work with, to understand the needs of not just our requirements, but the global requirements of our clients. Our experience with working with the team there, the senior management, right through to the development and also the support team, was second to none. What's really important in our industry is having someone who understands what we're trying to deliver. Not only that, but to have a team that can come back and also make suggestions that we may have missed about moving forward and building a product that was going to be world class. I found that working with these guys, it made it very easy for us to pick and choose what we want, but then have someone we could bounce off real time and real life discussion points to say, hey, you should consider this, or hey, you should consider that. And then together we're able to build a world-class product to move to the next point. Our problems that we had were not that we had a product that didn't work, that we didn't have a product that was user-friendly. And with cloud-based technology today, to have a team of people that need to support an infrastructure like ours, it could be extremely expensive. So to have a team that could work with us to sort of smarten up the technology one, but also how we took it to market, how we made the UI UX look, how we made the customer feel, and how we took the pain and the pressure away from the customer in using our tools. And I'll give you a quick example. We would have to spend 20 hours and probably 20 phone calls to get things done before, where now the team have enabled us to be able to show in a very easy manner how it is to use our product by dragging and dropping and then having a result back to them within minutes instead of months. Business process is everything to me. And unfortunately, as we started this journey with our migration toolset, process was very difficult because there was no process. So we built the first process ourselves, and it always needs someone from the outside to look in. And that's what the team were able to do. They were able to look at our past process, fine tune it to our current process, and then turn it into a very easy turnkey solution that could be just delivered online. That's what's been the most important part of dealing with this company. Working with Ravi and his team, both here in Australia and internationally, has been like a dream come true. Trying to find people in Australia to do some of our work has been very difficult. Not just from a cost perspective, but from the perspective of having a broad range of skills available to us through their team. Meeting people who understand the same sort of goals in business is very difficult. Working with people who understand what we're trying to deliver is what it's all about. What we've done here and internationally now is that we've been able to build a team that even in the last 8 weeks has started to grow to some major opportunities, multi-million-dollar projects that are being brought to us because people are comfortable with the team that we have at CU2 Global in conjunction with iotasol.